I've been using the Titan investment platform for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Titan investment. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Titan investment. Titan aims to provide individual investors with access to actively managed investment strategies, similar to those traditionally available only to high-net-worth individuals. Their offerings include portfolios managed by an in-house investment team, covering U.S. stocks, international stocks, and alternative assets like real estate and venture capital. One of its standout features is its personalized advisory support. Titan offers one-on-one sessions and group calls with financial advisors, allowing clients to discuss financial goals, portfolio reviews, and major life changes. This level of access is designed to provide a more tailored investment experience. However, it's important to note that Titan operates on a subscription-based model, charging $25 per month or $250 annually. While this fee structure is straightforward, it may be higher than the percentage-based fees charged by some traditional robo-advisors, especially for those with smaller account balances. In terms of performance, some users have expressed concerns about the effectiveness of Titan's investment strategies. Additionally, discussions in online forums suggest that certain portfolios have underperformed compared to standard market indices, leading to dissatisfaction among some investors. Overall, Titan offers a unique blend of active management and personalized advice, appealing to investors seeking a more hands-on approach. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.